and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today, I'm going to give you a tip for safely cleaning your houseplant leaves. So dusting your houseplant leaves. Houseplants do collect dust. And dirt and things. You really want to keep them clean because houseplants breathe, and that's how they get their nutrients. Actually, what happens is they take in toxins from the air and they transform those toxins that they take in through their leaves and also through their roots into actually fertilizer, nutrients for their soil. It's a really incredible process. I do have a video on how they clean the air, and as they clean the air, they also feed themselves. So you want them to be at their optimum in terms of being able to clean your air for you and also keep themselves healthy, right? But if their stomata, which is their breathing pores, which are located on the underside of their leaves and some on the top of their leaves, if those are clogged up with dust and grime and pollution and blah blah whatever, and which all those things do tend to add up in our houses, but especially dust, right? Then they're not going to be working at their optimum for you or for themselves. So you want to keep them clean, but you really need to be careful about what you clean them with because the leaf surfaces of plants are very delicate, and some plants, especially the thinner leaf plants, are even more delicate. So you may find that you cleaned a plant or you had somebody clean a plant really well for you, and afterwards there's all these brown striations, scratches on the leaves. Well, that's from too rough of cleaning. So even things like paper towels and things, they do have wood fibers sometimes in them, and that they will make fine lines on your leaves, and no, they won't go away. And basically you need to grow more leaves so you can damage them. So what I suggest using is a microfiber cloth, and the microfiber cloths that are used for cleaning electronics, and the reason they are used for electronics is so they don't scratch screens and stuff like that, right? So you can just as easily use these to clean your houseplants. And what you want to do, you can do it dry. If it's really dusty, you can just start doing it dry. This plant, this is a Schefflera here, umbrella plant. It's not that dirty. A lot of mine, I was trying to find a really dirty one. This one was a little on the dirty side. And so another thing you can do is you can spray a fine mist of water on the microfiber to get a little bit better cleaning going on. And then you can see here, I'm cleaning off these leaves, and they're looking a little bit better here as I go. I like the microfiber cloths too. They're easy to get nowadays. Got some links below, and also they are washable. So you can see there is some dirt building up on there, even though this doesn't look all that dirty, which is another good reason to clean your plants, because they may not look that dirty until you start to clean them. Like a lot of things in your house, right? And you start to clean, like, oh geez, I didn't know it was that bad. So the plants are the same way. So keeping in mind that you will keep them a lot healthier doing this. And these fibers, as I was talking about and then got on a tangent here, they are machine washable, so you can wash them and reuse them. So it's also more sustainable, right? Instead of going through a bunch of paper towels or napkins or something like that, you're using something that's nice and soft and also washable and reusable many times over. I would suggest, like I said, a light water on them, but you can get them if you really need to, you can get this thing nice and soaked and wring it out and then take it to your plant and start working on getting it nice and clean. But I really, like I mentioned, love the fact that I can rub this fairly hard on this leaf and I don't have to worry about later tomorrow finding all these little brown lines and brown spots, and some plants will even, the whole leaf will just brown. So if you've cleaned a plant and you wonder what the heck happened here, and it does the brown striations, brown lines, brown spots, it's the leaf falls off, that's what happened. So it would be, I guess you could call it a cleaning injury. So use microfiber instead. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and please check the bell when you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.